What's up guys, so I'm back with another video finally. So what I've done here is I've taken the car back to stock height. I fitted standard springs. As you guys know, I did do brand new top mounts and shocks a few months ago, actually like 4 months ago, I think 5 months ago. So they're still relatively new, and so yeah. Well, not today's plan. If you're watching this now, I've already lifted the car. I did it yesterday. So yeah, car's lifted. But the point of today's video is to get me a system. So I've decided that for now I'm done with the low life. For now, because the kit just drives horrible, especially 60mm kit right around. So yeah, I made up my mind, going stock height again. And because, sorry, let me just get back to that, because it's a daily also, so I was compromising on comfort there just to look a bit chillier, and I was like, I'm not having it anymore. What I'm gonna do is stock height, smooth ride, fat system. So I'm going for XTC Gangster. It's a 12,000 watt sub 12 inch, 1200 RMS. I also saw a nice energy audio monoblock, 1200 RMS as well, at Soundmatch in Goodwood. So I'm gonna go make a turn there real quick and go see what it costs. And yeah, so today I'm gonna get the XTC Gangster, definitely. I don't know, I just want to say that there's a gangster in my boot, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna get that, I'm on the block, and then I'm gonna look around for a box. Not too sure if I'm gonna buy a box or make one myself. I don't know, I think that'd be good content, and also for you guys to see how a box is built. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you would like to see something like that. But yeah, let's go make a turn to Soundmatch real quick.
Okay. And also included is a rubber with this blown head gasket. There's geplaatst. So that's coming out. I'm gonna get that to the engineers. Put the head gasket and whatever. Sort out, get that back in the road. And yeah, she's gonna be behind the sky very soon.
So what about the comfortable life and the baseline?
Gangsters over here that I wanted. These are the energy audios. Here's the Gangster. That's for $9.50. Jeez, what is this one here, bro? It's a different RP. How big is that magnetron? So now. Oh. But yeah, this is the one. And I'm also gonna take this amp. This is the Energy Boost series. 1001 RMS. It's on sale for 1.3. Was 1.5, now 1.3. Okay guys, so we secured it. We got the XTC Gangster. I've already dropped him at home. The Gangster, the amp, and I bought a full 0-gauge wiring kit as well for 500 rand at XTC. Yeah, it's XTC 0-gauge wiring kit. And I was just gonna buy 0-gauge for the Earth and the Live, but it was 220 rand a meter. So I was like, last that's gonna be a workout way more than just me buying a kit. So I got the Gangster, got the energy audio monoblock, got the kit. I'm just gonna take this car to get washed. It's very dirty. And then yeah, I'll do the unboxing at home. So yeah, we got all the goodies right here. XTC Gangster 12,000 watt sub. It's a 12-inch 1,200 RMS. Then we got XTC audio wiring cable good for up to 30,000 watts. This is a zero gauge cable kit, which will be the best and most optimal performance out of your speakers and amp. Then we got the Energy Audio Feel the Energy Boost series over here. It's a 1,200 watt or 1,200 RMS 1 ohm stable monoblock. Yeah, so we got them at a good price. Luckily, both of them were on special at the time. This is usually going for I think 1,415, and you got a 4,950. This was going for I think about I don't know, 1,5, and it was brought down to 1,3, which was a good price. Zero gauge cable came to $500, which was a good option because I was just gonna buy the zero gauge cable, and that would have come to 229 meter, and I'd need 5 meters. And yeah, you do the math, that's like 1,100 just for cable. So yeah, they got the whole set. So better option, $500. That's all got that Soundmatch included. They're having quite a couple of sales actually, so you guys should get down there and see what they have if you guys are interested to get yourself a sub. So I went to this option for no reason actually. I don't know when I heard of the Gangster, I liked it, and because previously my brother had the Target Streets in, and so I knew what they were capable of, which is good, and they were like half the RMS that the sub is. That the Target Streets are like 650 RMS, this is double, this is 1,200, so I'm excited to see what it's going to push. So yeah, let's get unboxing. I'll start with the Energy Audio amp. Okay, cool. So they give you a little Energy Audio sticker. I don't know where to put this. I'll put it somewhere in my dash. And then you got the Energy Audio manual. Probably won't use this anyways. So yeah, we got that. Okay, so we got the boost control over here. Definitely gonna fit this, because that way I can just tune the amp one time and then just adjust the boost if I want down or up or whatever. Okay, so let's see. Let's close this. Close on the top of your house. You know, actually open it towards you guys. Oh, that looks quite nice. I like this mirror effect they got, so you guys can see that the mirror it has. So that's cool. Feel the Energy Boost series, 1,200 monoblock. So yeah, there we go. Everything seems nice. All the fuses are in. The remote wire, ground, power. There's your. Probably gonna have to bridge these to get it to 1 ohm stable. And yeah, there's your RCA leads plug-in. So this is quite nice actually. This is the Energy Audio Boost series, 1,000 RMS. You got that. And then we get to the wiring. I think I'll leave this up for last. So you guys all excited about stuff. Okay, so they got some hardware here for us, some cable ties, heat shrink, and some terminals. These are probably for the negatives. You're gonna have to earth down into the chassis of the car. Like that. So we got the hardware over there, and we got a nice XTC audio fuse. It's quite nice, good quality bulb. And I like the tinted glasses got in there. It's like a semi-smoke glass. So that's XTC audio fuse that comes with the whole wiring kit. So let's put that there. We then got the zero gauge cable kit. So over here we got the zero gauge, is probably the 12 volt live power. Seems like the longest one here. So we got some speaker wire on the inside. At the back we got, well, in front actually, here's the remote wire, and then got some RCA leads. So this is a complete XTC zero gauge kit that I got at Soundmatch for 500 rand. Quite good, seems solid. Also, what I want to mention is this is definitely the earth one that you can see the copper through, and one's the earth wiring cable you got there. So okay, let's get this back in its packaging. Yeah, I would hate to lose anything of that, so let's put it back. So, down here. So now to get to the exciting part. Probably the part you guys have all been waiting for. This, not gonna lie, feels like Christmas again. Feels like Christmas came early this year. Christmas April, yes. For me at least, I don't know about you all, but I'm experiencing Christmas right now. So yeah, looks quite nice. We got the woven inside here with the yellow stitching. Looks very nice, I won't lie. We got the outer rubber we got here. So this is the XTC Gangster people. Let me just show you guys, take it out and give you guys a closer look. Oh, it looks like. Oh, it's quite heavy actually. Oh, how good. So then you guys can see how it's woven on the inside. We got the yellow stitching on the outer end there. Super nice, and it's the outer rubber is rubbed as well. Got a nice fat magnet at the back too. It's a DVC sub. So we got some terminals over there, we got some more on that side. So yeah, that's the XTC Gangster 12,000 watt 1000 RMS sub. This is a 12 inch, if I didn't mention it. That back in its home. So yeah, it's quite nice. Hopefully it bangs. I'm assuming it does, because I mean the rating of the sub is quite high. So yeah, this is the XTC audio sub. 12,000 watt sub, 1000 RMS 12 inch. Then we got the Energy Audio Boo series 1200 watt or 1200 RMS sorry, monoblock. And we got the XTC dedicated kit there. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing of all the goodies. Stick around for the next one. Should probably be in a week or two. Where I don't know, I'm still contemplating if we should get a box or hold the box. Not sure yet. Whatever I do, you'll find in the next video. Hopefully by then I'll fit and lay the wire, as well as the subs, depending if I actually build one or not. If I do decide to build one, it'll probably take a bit longer. But yeah, you'll see. Stick around for the next video. You'll see. So yeah, if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.